up guys, it's your girl Teresa here. I'm also known as leseynt, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a shout out to your friends or whoever it is on your Instagram story, so stay tuned. Here on this channel, I make a lot of how-to videos for Instagram, and if you're interested in these types of content, make sure you follow me by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, and give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. First and foremost, to create a shout out, you have to go into your Instagram story, and let's go ahead and do that. And make sure your Instagram account is updated as well, in case you don't see that feature in there. So here I've opened it up, and if you slide across here at the bottom, it will say create. And once you're in that section there, slide across and there will be a number of options. We're going to the shout out option. So here it's it says happy birthday, but then if you hit on top where the dice is, you can toggle between happy birthday, thanks, happy anniversary, as well as a blank one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just use my friend's account. Her name is Rain. Feel free to check her out if you want to, and see how it has like kind of like pre-populated an old Instagram story that I've posted where I've tagged her before. I can use this to direct people to Rain's account, and also I can like change the size of the story, and I can even like make a note here by text saying please check out Rain's Instagram account. And I can also change the background as well. So if you tap on top here, you can change it to pink, purple, green, red, peachy color, and just play around with it. I don't know if this provides any other purpose except for if you are working with brands and you want to direct your audience to a certain product or something like that. But let me know in the comment section below if you know of what this function is for, because that's the only thing I can think of for now. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Once again, if you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.